Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Sit down and emotions feel like I never did before.
You excited to cut your hair today? You sure? What's up, guys? Just parting my hair so it doesn't get messed up. Liam, come look on the camera. You look funny. Come and look on your hair. Look on your hair. Who's that looking so funny?
Nobody.
Nobody? You're a nobody? You're a ninja?
No.
No, what are you?
Sneaky guy.
You're a sneaky girl. Ooh, look whose
Emmy.
turn it is. Yep.
Emmy.
Just as we suspected. Giving trouble. Emmy, you ready to cut your hair?
Baby duck.
Baby shark. You still want baby shark? You want cut hair?
Mama duck. Or
Mama shark.
Okay.
Or
You like any one of them.
What are you doing, babe? What are you doing with his hair?
Oh!
That's right.
I'm gonna cut off all my hair. Cut off
All right,
all-
Emmy, here. Emmy, here. That's your bottle. Ready? First cut.
Let me do it.
His hair is ruined.
Oh! Mommy's first. I did the first haircut.
Yeah, right. Well, you're not making me see it.
Oh. Daddy not afraid, so look on Daddy. Morning. Count 1. Ready or not? Here I come. Cause funny, even their great grandmothers are alive, Why you don't cut their hair? Why you growing them hair? And now them saying don't cut them hair.
Right. And you know how much years that pussy me get from my grandmother? All my hair long?
If your grandfather call me and say, come here, tell him say you don't like it.
I'm high school
So tell him to go through. So your grandfather say,
I'm high school days in my classmate. And I like it. Oh yes, my mother said this, my father said this, a girl on the road said this. I can't have something to try to.
him don't tell you say your wife said she don't like that.
Yeah, all the time. Once you marry her, she tell you if your wife tell the secret. She don't like you, no, she don't want to everything. Yeah, that's like come see you. Pull me aside.
Like come let me talk to you, yeah?
No, one of the first person here.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, Mom.
Boys next.
Big boy. You ready to cut your hair? Tired of combing all that hair. Chummy, what happened? You're not ready to cut hair again? You nervous?
Nervous?
No. Yes, no. You're a big boy. And see, Daddy just did his. So Daddy did his first, and now you. And then hopefully we get through with Emmy.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Want to cut it off?
No.
Yes.
No.
Let me see. Let me see the same.
Should you line up the V like I'm doing, man? Oh, God. Watch him do that.
It's a big shoes.
Wow, Emmy.
Yes, sir.
First haircut.
Ready?
Yes.
Yes.
First haircut.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Got it?
Ready?
Got it, bro?
Ready, man.
Yay, Emmy.
Nice. Nice, boy.
Oh, it's not so bad.
Good.
Better than we thought. You're a trooper. Oh, no, I remember saying loving haircut, so.
I love it.
Oh, this
Thank you for
is so
showing.
sweet.
Oh, Emmy.
Oh, just look at it.
Good job.
I think Emmy would have been like,
Done video, yeah, man.
oh, no.
Action, I mean, that look for me.
Stop on it, Mr. Harrison. Like, what did you want to make, huh?
You know, they look up, they look stem. Alright.
Alright. Good job.
Oh,
Big man by himself.
Nice, boy. You're doing a good job.
That's what the man couldn't get to the food.
man. It is their own bad day.
Bad man.
So, first haircut.
How is pro? How is pro? Yeah.
Can follow him on Instagram and, you know, mobile barber.
Yeah, mobile barber. Anywhere them come cut here.
Alright,
So just follow me and make an appointment.
alright.
So,
Thanks.
Respect, bro.
So,
It's the B family.
B family.
B family.
yeah.